Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video guys, andito tayo sa Barangay Panungyan, Mendez, Cavite. 5 minutes from Tagaytay, 550 meters above sea level. Very cold weather. Right now it's 12 noon. So tanghaling tapat at very cold weather. This one, yan, dinadevelop na natin yung kalsada. This will be Barangay Road going to the highway. And yung client natin, yan, magpapagawa na siya ng bahay as of today. So ito yung gagawin namin design ng house niya. Ito naman yung client natin last year. Yan, sinisimulan na namin gawin yung bahay niya. Sa corner lot naman, kung isa. So this will be a 300 square meter house and lot package. Nabili siya for only 4.5 million. So kasama yan, lalagyan namin ng fence, lalagyan namin ng gate. So yan, free transfer of title din siya. Ayan, to turn over namin to mga 3 to 4 months namin gagawin yung house. With parking, with garden, full finish, with electricity, water. Ayan, ito yung magiging kalsada naman sa paglipo. Ayan, corner yan, corner lot. Okay. Ito naman yung isang client natin, 600 square meter. Ang kinuha, corner lot. Ayan, house and lot package. Ginagawa na rin natin yung bahay. Ayan. Ito yung road, magiging concrete road to with the drainage. Ayan siya. So ito, may available tayo dito, 296 square meter. Ayan. Pero bago natin puntahan yung bahay, papakita ko sa inyo yung drone shot of this property para makita nyo kung gaano siya kalapit sa Tagaytay. And from the highway, andyan na. Kaya nyo lakarin papunta ng Palengke, hospital, sakay ng bus going to PITX. In here. Nyo naman yung bahay ay yung lapit niya to Tagaytay. So this is at Mendez, Panungyan 1. Ito yung lot. Ito yung 296 square meter na house. From this point hanggang doon, ito yung house. Ayan. So ito yung magiging design ng house guys in here. Ayan, tatapusin namin yung bahay March, tapos na po yan. So ayan, ito yung house. Ganyan yung lot hanggang dito. Ayan, hanggang dito siya. Hanggang dyan. Tapos babakurin din namin yan. Ito yung bahay, 296 square meter. Meron pa yung setback sa likod. This will be parking, garden. Ayan. So yan, ginagawa na namin yun yung process. Ayan. So that's for 5 million. Naka-promo siya ngayon. 4.5 million free transfer title kasama lahat. Ayan siya. Ang down payment is 1.5 million. Tapos tatapusin namin yung bahay within February katapusan or March first week. So kuryente, lahat na po yan, kompleto na po yung finish. Ayan siya. Ito naman magiging concrete road, magiging barangay road to. Ayan, dediretso dyan, tapos pa kanan doon. Pero ngayon, temporary road natin is nandito sa kabila. So yun, may mga bahay na rin dyan na nakatira. May mga nakatira na rin dito. So if ano man kailangan, kompleto tayo. So yun, if you're interested, message nyo lang ako sa Viber, WhatsApp. Ayan yung magiging design ng bahay. Ayan, ano siya, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, and napakalaking bahay. As in, parang siyang for retirement rest house. So yun guys, if you're interested, dyan yung Viber, WhatsApp ko. See you in the next vlogs. Bye bye.